Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the funeral stationery template, Vision Design, a faith-based Catholic background created to help families prepare coordinated stationery for a funeral or memorial service with clarity and care. The Vision Design is a coordinated funeral stationery template that includes matching pieces of a funeral program, prayer card, and thank you card, all designed to work together visually and spiritually. It's ideal for Catholic services where prayer, scripture, and tradition play an important role in the service. Each piece is already formatted, so you don't have to worry about sizing, margins, or layout details during a difficult time. All pieces share the same design style, colors, and typography, creating a consistent and respectful presentation throughout the service and afterward. The design allows space for prayers, scripture, and personal details while remaining clean and easy to read. The Vision Design includes traditional Catholic imagery, including a cross and an image of the Virgin Mary. These elements are placed gently within the layout to support prayer, reflection, and faith without overwhelming the text. Families use the Vision Design to edit their information directly into the template, replacing the placeholder text and photos with their own. Because the layout is already set and done for you, the focus stays on the words, prayers, and remembrance, not formatting or design stress. Once edited, the stationery can be printed at home or professionally, depending on your timing and preference. This particular funeral stationery design is meant to support families who want a faith-based Catholic design that feels organized, meaningful, and appropriate for the service. It offers a simple way to create coordinated funeral stationery while honoring both tradition and personal remembrance. The Vision Design is part of the funeral stationery templates offered by the funeral program site, created to help families prepare coordinated, faith-based memorial pieces with calm guidance and respect.